Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to scan document and make PDF in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So do that, open camera and take a document. Now I'm take. At first click on to setting icon, make sure to enable two option and then go back. So click on to T option, click on to scan, select area, and then press on to save. Click on to gallery, tap on to three dot, select print option, click on save as PDF. Just click on this option and select your folder, like I'm selecting this, and then press on save. Okay, now I'm check. Go to file manager. Okay, look here my recently added PDF file. So that's how you can do it.